ako, sorry.
Hold the mapping. Listen, yeah, this time, sometimes you're gonna be engaging on my W. Listen, you comes out. Hug the wall, East. You hug the wall, East.
Kapag 4 minutes na yung OC nyo, re-OC na kayo.
Yeah, just hold the mapping.
4 minutes or 5 minutes, re-OC na kayo.
Yeah, listen, come back. Listen. You gotta try to commit on the choke. Listen. No, tapos in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this fucking guy. Tapos, come back now. Come back now. Listen, hold him up. Don't go in. Listen, kiss the bus. Listen, you walk side. Walk side to Tabas, okay? Walk north, in 5, south in 4, 3, 2, 1, Tabas now. Oh, this guy. Listen, you walk south. You walk north. Actually, no, north. Walk north. Just walk north. Guide those to the choke. Keep walking. Heal. Yo, just re-OC. Hold the mapping. Listen, engage my W, okay? Engage my W. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage my W. Listen, you come back now. Come back north. Your body gets inside. We kite north. Demons. Listen, you walk out a bit. Don't overcommit, okay? You walk out, hold me now. Body gets inside, no W in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no W now. Wow. Come back. Full kite. It's a fail. Come back southeast. We get a full reset. Full reset, cool down. Hold the mapping. Man, that was a waste of engagement. Listen, come on. Listen, engage my W. Engage my E, okay? Listen, walks out. Walks out side. Hug the wall south. Listen, engage my E, okay? Engage my E only. Listen, you kite southeast. You kite southeast for now. Don't commit. Ready? Demons out. On top of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of this fucking DPS. Yo, listen. Kite west. Kite southwest side. The demons here. Demons crisis now. Border gets inside. Your border gets inside. So kite. Yo, the border gets inside. Listen, you walk north, west side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You west side, shallow. Listen, you kite west, east, east side. Come northeast. You kite northeast. Hold him in a choke. Let the demons out. Listen, you walk. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the big choke. Listen. Where's my DPS? You kite north again. Border gets inside. We kite northeast. As we kite northeast. The demons inside. Demons inside. Listen, border gets inside. Walks out. On top of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside now. Get the DPS. Nice shit. You walk west now. West. Fucking W West, man. Walk west now. You're fucking delaying our rotation, man. Listen, come south now. Come south. Just walk south. We're gonna catch him soon. Listen, walk south. We're there now. Listen. Come west. Come aside. Yo, listen. We're gonna get this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get you this guy. Come west now, 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 come west now.
Wala sila.